out there, New York City, Amazura. Can you hear us out there? Can you hear us? Can you hear the name that we're about to introduce to you? He's a legend. He's been doing this for years. All the millennials out there, you don't know crap. This guy's been doing it for years. And I'm about to introduce you right now. Fabrice Rouzier. Monsieur Fabrice Rouzier is here. We need you on stage right now. He's a legend, man. Highly respected. Highly respected. You know what I'm saying? Here's your mic, man. Come on.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Jean. I want to thank LNDJ. I want to thank all of you. I want to thank all the bands. And I want to thank my family and God first, because He allowed me to pretty much be able to create for all of you. Thanks again, and I wish you to have a very pleasant evening, and may God bless you. Thank you.
Very humble as usual, Fabrice, man. Thank you so very much for doing what you've been doing in the music industry. We need that. Ladies and gentlemen, Fabrice Rouzier one more time. Let me hear it. Come on, New York City. LNDJ, of course, doing it. Anything you want to say, LNDJ, at this particular point? Just like thank you very much and all that.
And that much. Thank you for all that this man has done for the Haitian music. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Fabrice Rouzier, it is. We need to honor our musicians before they die. We have a tendency to do it after the die. That's like freaking totally fucked up, if you ask me. We're gonna honor him before he goes down, you know, under. Okay, one more time, Fabrice Rouzier, man. Respect it, all right? So for those of you, ladies,